Welcome back to Balaba Gist. Ohaneze ndị Igbo don't come outside, come demand 10 trillion to Nigeria government based on that the Igbo coup they are accusing the Igbos. They are the one that did it. It's not them that did it. My people, but come here the message where the Biafras or Igbos they send go give Ohaneze say that they don't need Nigeria money. That what they need is the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and let everybody go back to the drawing board of this contraction called Nigeria and think what next. That as it stands right now, Nigeria is not favoring anybody. My people, we go play some videos, go show and I hear the whole message where many people don't send give Nigeria government in the on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the one where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk to. And I go play you following the video of our brother with the Kono Sonkwa. I wanna hear his own point of view of waiting the happen. May you understand that this is also the mindset of or also the thought of other Igbos, the average Igbo man out there on Biafras, that we don't need Nigerian money. What we need is a total freedom. Watch the videos and share.
To be released because we know it will give our people more security.
Release the young man and bring peace to the southeast.
Release of Nnamdi Kanu as such that could bring about national reconciliation.
One major priority area in the southeast, which I think will cool off a great deal of nerves, is for us to bring out Kanu.
If Nnamdi Kanu is released, it's going to reduce the security problem in the southeast.
The southeastern people couldn't go home now for years because of insecurity. You can simply use one sledgehammer, wow, to stop this insecurity by releasing Nnamdi Kanu.
This man is fundamental to peace process in the southeast. Release Mr. Nnamdi Kanu.
If he's out now today, that will bring the total peace to the entire southeast.
We want peace in the southeast. Everywhere is devastated. Erosion is killing us. Infrastructure has collapsed. And then we cannot even sleep. Houses are being burned. People are being killed.
It will end when Nnamdi Kanu comes out.
Release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a critical step towards that part of finding a lasting peace and solution.
Nnamdi Kanu is outside. In 2 minutes, this nonsense will stop. Violence or insecurity in the southeast in the name of IPOB is in Ghana, and they know it. Let me come out of this nonsense, this mess. 2 minutes only. Only 2 minutes, I guarantee you. And there'll be peace in the east, not just southeast. Everywhere in the east.
Adam, a very quick one. I don't know Ohaneze ndị Igbo kwuru because of the revelation in the book of IBB, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. You know, Ohaneze ndị Igbo apụtala kwuo si ebe ọwụ na Babangida ekwuole that the 1966 coup is not Igbo coup. Federal government of Nigeria under Tinubu won the Igbo 10 trillion naira. Anya achọghị 10 trillion naira. Anya need the ego ndị Nigeria. Ego Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ndị Igbo need here. There is no amount of compensation that will equate the sufferings of Ndị Igbo because of 1966 coup. Till Aloaga Biafra. Till today. There is no compensation, even in billions, even in $1 trillion, even in £1 trillion, even in €1 trillion, that can assuage the sufferings and the things the Igbo man has underwent in this country called Nigeria. So we don't need money. I was expecting Ohaneze ndị Igbo to come up with something tangible, something that is generally acceptable. Anya wuhunde na ata ego. Anya wuhunde akpiri ego. Oke akwa ego na account onye ka ya akwa. Akwa this 10 trillion naira na account onye ka ya akwa. Ahapụ ihe dị mkpa ya ekwu inyo. Ahapụ ihe bara uru ayi ekwu na akọheri. Hapụ Nnamdi Kanu ayi ekwu okwu ka release. Because if there was no misconception about Ndị Igbo from 1966 till date, Nnamdi Kanu aka hepụtakwu ihe ọ na-ekwu. Ma ọ dịwa for Biafran state And that is the truth. I'm going to treat this country, treat a country. This place or a country. That is not a country. It is just an enterprise of the British colony. Where they bring this one, bring the other one. Akwaya. Hey, Julian Army Nigeria. Hey, Julian Army Nigeria. No, then I will country. Well, in the right sense of it. According to Oxford Dictionary, what is a nation? A nation is a group of people with the same language. That is the same tongue. The same culture. The same tradition. The same way of living. The same worship. The same religion. That is a nation. Is Nigeria a nation? No. So, let us not be deceiving ourselves. Now, Babangida has told us the truth after 50-something years of 1966 coup. And people are clapping for him. We are not clapping for him. We are not clapping for Babangida. Because we already know, a real Igbo man knows the truth. A real Igbo man knows that 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. Ifajun had them. Nzogu had them. These people are Igbo by name. They are not Igbo by birth. They are not Igbo by training. They are not Igbo by culture. They are not Igbo by whatever. They are just Igbos by name. They were born, bred, trained in the north. So we know that 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. It is just how do I put it? A paraphernalia to destroy the Igbo nation, to hate the Igbo nation, to call us whatever they want to call us. They say, give a dog a bad name and hang it. That was what they did with the 1966 coup. Even IBB in the same book acknowledged that it was an Igbo man that stopped that same coup they claimed was an Igbo coup. Obienu stopped the coup. Even in that same book, the plotters knew that the turmoil, the calamity, the triggers that triggered the 1960 coup started from the southwest. And their plan was to install Awolowo as president. So how come it is an Igbo coup? See, Ohaneze and Igbo, we don't need trillion. Nnamdi Kanu's release. All you question demand. And the referendum. These are the two things Ohaneze and Igbo question. See release Nnamdi Kanu without further delay. Then, they are conduct a referendum na southeast Nigeria. Juaha. Gini kunu choro. These are the two things. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Conduct a referendum na southeast Nigeria. Juana again. Gini kunu choro. For over the years, we have blackmailed you people. We have done this. We have done that to you people. We have treated you like second class and third class citizens of this nation. Then, gini kunu choro. Ohaneze ndị Igbo. Nchi odekwa. Ohaneze ndị Igbo. Nchi odekwa. Use your own brain, uno. Use your own brain, uno. I don't understand. Ohaneze ndị Igbo, Ohaneze ndị Igbo, ya na akwụna. At the end of the day, they come out with ihe na-enwe isi. This is an opportunity for Ohaneze ndị Igbo, for the entire Southeast, to say, this is what we want. For blackmailing us for 50-something years, for calling us this, calling us that, for calling when you know not this is what you want. That is what Ohaneze ndị Igbo should champion. Release Nnamdi Kanu, then piano conduct a referendum na Igbo. John ndị Igbo. Gini kunu choro.
First of all, I have to start by saying thank you so much to my dearest brother Nosonkwa. Since I've been following you, I've learned a lot of things from you, and I hope someday we are going to meet in person. But let me also use this medium to address other, would I call them, other Igbos that these people, they don't want to hear freedom. let me tell you, it's not by force to remain an Igbo man, and it's not by force to stay in that soil of Igbo land. If you disagree on what your people are doing, you are free to pack your bag and baggages and go to the north and stay. Because I see that many Igbos do not want the freedom of Ndi Igbo and also freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But however, for those of you people who don't want the progress and the freedom of Ndi Igbo, maybe in other way, your mother or your father may come from the north, we don't know. But let me tell you, this one is bad news to you, because you are not going to succeed. You will fail, and you will live to see the Ndi Igbo freedom and also see a Biafra freedom. That is my message for you. My people, wanna share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. I see the red. Don't forget to see the for Brabas Jesus. I see the watch. Make sure you share the video.